How to check PS4 or PS5 controller battery life on PC. So all you have to do is just first install your DS4 Windows. So you just have to browse it in your Chrome. As you can see in here, just download this DS4 Windows download version. Make sure you know the version of your Windows is it 64-bit or 32-bit. So as you can see in here, just install the latest version of the software. As you can see, just click this and you're good to go. And once you have downloaded that, you have this file, and all you have to do is just to install this. So as you can see, make sure that you extract this uh files. You must extract this to work properly, and also you have to install the VGMBus driver. So the window reappears after installing. So after you install this, you need to reboot your PC. So if you've used 360 controller on this PC, you can skip this step with the install 360 driver. So if you have the controller, the original controller of the PS4 or PS5, so you just have to set up the Bluetooth and connect the DualShock 4 controller to set up. If you have a wired or USB controller, you just have to connect it with your PC, and it will automatically view here in the profiles and controllers, as you can see in here. And if you are connecting it with Bluetooth, you just have to click this, and you just have to connect your Bluetooth controller here, and it will automatically appear here in your controllers. And once it appears here, the battery life of your controller will automatically appear in here. So once you have connected your controller, and the battery life would appear here, and that's it.